Motive's AI dashcam and suite of products has been shown to greatly reduce speeding occurrences, collisions and accidents, as well as other unsafe driving behavior. When looking to develop a solution with our great AWS team, we took a look at our landscape, as well as we already had Amazon Redshift holding hundreds of terabytes of our raw vehicle message data. And so how can we simplify it and what was available? And that's when they showed us zero-ETL, and that all those sources that we're already using are already available as integrations. The results and impacts were so clear from day one. The speed and latency was the biggest win for us. And in our DynamoDB world, we went from 4-hour to 6-hour sync intervals down to 30 minutes or so, reliably as well. And that was the other thing, is that we haven't had to touch it. It just works. So we're saved over $100,000 a year by removing all that data transfer, all those different mechanisms and compute for loading, and just getting the data there. And we're able to now do more features, do some of our detections on a sooner cadence, all these types of things, which translates to, safer driving, and more visibility and easier compliance for our customers.